Hi, this is our second video of the Orcas Island, and we are on the Turtleback Mountain Preserve, about to start our South Turtleback Trail for pedestrians only. It's all written on the back. Please have a look. So embarking on our South Turtleback Trail just now. Time is 12:45 afternoon. We have to see how long we take to complete it. Distance to be covered is about 3 kilometers. Or is it 3 miles?
Miles.
3 miles it is. So we'll see, and map is given there, you can see. South Turtleback Trail map is there. So we are embarking on it just now. Subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Press the bell button for notifications. Like, comment and share the videos. And by super thanks. Over to the trail now. So we have started the trek, and this pedestrian trek is daily. There is equestrian trek also, that's on hot days, and bike trek is also there, that is on even days. So depending on your choice, please take the trek here. The surrounding is beautiful, greenery all around. Can you see these bushes? Do you recognize them? If yes, please type in the comment box what bushes are those. And if you don't know, type that also. We will give it to you what it is. And boards are there. This board says, please remain on the designated trail. So we have to remain on the designated trail. We are taking the South Turtle Mountain Trail. Cars have come up to this point, parked at the back. From here the pedestrian trek starts. It's a beautiful trek. People from far and wide come here. Only thing is, you have to be careful not to fall, because the slopes are there. Just now I am going down on a slope, but I have these hiking poles with me. Can you see in my left hand? This is the hiking pole. So this gives me the support not to fall. Okay. What I find now ahead is a bridge. So bridge, people are afraid. Our little master Sumo is afraid to go on the bridge. We have to carry him in the lap. So this is the bridge. I'll show you. Can you? This is the bridge. Across a small stream which is dry just now. Maybe when it rains, water will come in this stream. So this is the bridge. I am onto the bridge now, crossing it. See, this is the bridge. Almost crossed the bridge. A small bridge, I would say. Now, what has come is stairs. So climbing the stairs just now. I only hope that when I finish this trail, I would be fitter than when I started it. This is my hope with which I am going on it. Yeah, people have left me behind. My group has gone ahead. Probably because of my age and fatigue, I am not able to keep pace with them. Let's see if I can catch up with them. Yeah, let's see. Sun rays are coming between the trees. So my face will not be visible to you very clearly. Taking a break now. Also taking a trek.
Oh yeah.
Little Master Sumo is tired and has sat down. I'll show him to you. Here he is. Sumo. Sumo. This is how the sky looks. Birds are chirping. These are the tree roots embedded in the ground. So you have to negotiate these as you walk ahead, trek ahead. These are big roots. You have to be careful not to hit one of the roots and fall down. Now again a small bridge kind of thing. A culvert. A log has fallen. Rather, it appears to have been cut because of the symmetrical cut at the bottom. Fern is there, yeah, there is a fern. Beautiful fern is there along the way. And now we have some treacherous path. Rocks are there. Rocky path. That suddenly reminded me of Rocky Marciano, the famous boxer who used to negotiate such challenges in life. Marciano, Rocky Marciano. While going on our South Tatra Trail, we have reached the scenic viewpoint. This is scenic viewpoint because at the back there is a beautiful lake which we can see. Just see the expanse of the lake. From right to left we are moving the camera. In between the trees you can see how large this lake is, and then pine trees. 360-degree I am moving the camera. Very beautiful trail this. Back to the lake. And in the bargain I saw a bald-headed eagle also. Those are found here. Its head was bald, hence called the bald-headed eagle. One more viewpoint slightly ahead we could find, from which we are showing you the view of this trail. Yes, see, tree rising into the sky, and below is the lake farm, part of the Pacific. This is in fact Pacific. This is how it looks. And fresh trees plantation has taken place. One tree yard you can see here. Some rocks and some fossils are also there. And this is a larger part of the Pacific. The best view is available from here at a higher point than the previous two. So we are giving this to you from here. Maybe we can zoom also a little bit. There is the view. We have just now reached the top of this trail, which is called the South Overlook. Here it is. Seating benches are made. You can sit here and have a view of the South Overlook of the Pacific beyond. So this is the last point of this trail. Now we have to go downwards, climb down and go back to from where we started. Here it is. Signboards are there. South Overlook is written. You can see South Overlook and then Ship Peak and South Trailhead. 1 mile. Ship Peak is 0.3 miles. So Ship Peak will be on the way down. We are now going there. Beautiful trail it is. Once in a lifetime trek. Thank you so much. This is the last point of this trek called the Ship Peak Overlook. Down there you can see so many boats and yachts lined up for yachting, surfing in the Pacific. And then you have this range and some farming is happening here. And you can see an eagle flying there. Zoom. This eagle is a bald-headed eagle. Doesn't have hair on its head. Goes out of frame now with a squeaking sound. And back to the full view. There are lots of eagles are there ahead. You can see those flying. With this view, we'll end this video, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video of trek. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, press the bell button, watch all videos, like, comment and share. And below every video there is a super thanks tab. Please press this and buy super thanks as it supports our channel directly. Please do so. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Bye bye.